Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload a new video at least once a week, but since it is fall and this is the season where I thrive the most, I am uploading a little bit more than that. So if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel to stay on top of all of those new videos. Today I have a tea from Tiesta to try, and this one is their chai. It's called Chai Love. So before we get too into it, I want to get the tea steeping. I'm gonna be making it in my glass cup with my metal basket infuser. I sell these on Amazon. They're my favorite way to make tea. But if you're looking for something a little fancier, Tiesta has these brew masters. And it's similar to the David's Tea Steeper, which I've shown on my channel before. I have a video where I demonstrate how to use this as well, but it works like magic. It's super cool. So I'll leave that video linked and a link if you want to buy one of these guys. But I'm going to keep it simple today. Use my metal basket infuser. I'm just going to scoop my tea right into there. Then we'll pour in our hot water. All right, and now we can set this to the side, let it steep while we check out the loose tea, the ingredients, and everything there is to know about Tiesta Tea's Chai Love. I love trying new chais in fall. It's like one of the things I look forward to the most, like just seeing like the slight differences in different brands' chai. I feel like everybody does it differently. So let's see what Tiesta Tea has. This is called Chai Love. Spiced chai black tea, and the ingredients are black tea, ginger, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and pink peppercorns. And this is in their energizer category, so it's like meant to give you energy. Tiesta Tea has like different categories for their teas, so that's sort of a cool way, like if you're like just getting into tea, Tiesta is an awesome company to check out because depending what you're like looking to do, whether it's like relax, energize, boost your immunity, they have like categories where you can just click the category you want and choose a tea from there. So it's interesting how it's set up. And it says a premium loose leaf tea experience. We source over 150 ingredients from 40 countries around the world, meticulously crafting each blend with the help of experienced food scientists and herbalists to guarantee you the best loose leaf tea experience possible. Cheers and live loose. So that's just really about the brand, not so much about the actual tea. So let's like dump it out onto a plate and like look at the ingredients. It smells good. Really nice and gingery. I love that. So here is our Chai Love on a plate. Let's see if we could spot everything. I definitely see a cardamom pod, which one of my favorite ingredients in a tea is cardamom. It's so warming and comforting, and I love when it's like left in the whole pods. Here's a nice big piece of ginger, which I love. I am a ginger fiend, obsessed with ginger. Here's the cinnamon, little barky boy. I don't think I have a pink peppercorn in this scoop, so I'll have to find one. But here's a clove, a little bit of everything. But I'm determined to find a pink peppercorn because those are fantastic in chai. So I'm really digging, and I don't see any pink peppercorn. Maybe they're ground, like maybe they're ground up into it, and that's why I can't see it. But they are the last ingredient on here, so I think it's possible that I, in this little bag, didn't get a pink peppercorn, but that's all right. Hopefully we'll still get a really good feel for what this tea is. Because see, in the picture on the website, there are a lot of pink peppercorns. So here it says, spiced chai black tea warms you up from the inside out. Its high caffeine content makes it the perfect morning pick-me-up. Smooth and tasty on its own or softened with milk. Skip the coffee, pass the chai tea. Energizer blend. Our Energizer blends contain black and mate teas, which helps you deal with fatigue by giving you an added mental and physical boost. Premium loose leaf tea blend of full hand-plucked black tea punctuated with warm cinnamon, cardamom, and peppercorns. Premium ingredients that you can see, smell, and taste. Ditch the single-use chai tea bags. Discover the loose leaf difference. Another really interesting thing about like tea versus coffee is, coffee, I get more energized from coffee than tea. Like I really get a buzz, especially if I'm drinking like coffee and not espresso. Like, oh my gosh, I feel the difference when I have coffee. But when I have tea, I feel really good and normal and not jittery or anything, because tea has a compound in it called L-theanine. It gives you like a zen-like feeling. All tea has it because like the Camellia sinensis plant. So as long as it's like a tea leaf, like a black tea, green tea, white tea, oolong, you're getting that L-theanine in. So even though it's black tea, it's more oxidized. It will have less than like a green tea, but you're still getting the L-theanine. So you're not just getting like caffeine, you're getting L-theanine as well. So you feel energized, but you still feel like calm and good, which sometimes I don't really feel like that when I have coffee. Tea is just kind of a gentler way to start the morning, in my opinion. So I think we're about good to remove our infuser, and I don't know if I can show you, but look what I see at the very top. A pink peppercorn floating right up there. So I do have at least a pink peppercorn. I would like to see a little more, but at least I see one. All right, let's see what it tastes like. It's a nice blend. It's nice and gingery, which I love. I like that there's really nothing like sweet about it. Like it doesn't have any sort of like stevia extracts or anything to like bring it down into a sweeter category. Like it really leaves it up to you whether or not you want to add that, which I appreciate. It's like just a really good baseline chai. Like it has all the spices you'd expect. I like that they use really nice, like big, good quality whole leaves, but I do feel like it could have been like a stronger, bolder black tea. A lot of brands use like the CTC, like cut tear tea granules. The cut, I always forget what the CTC stands for, but it's like cut tear curl. Like they're like tiny little tea granules, and that gives you like a bolder, stronger black tea base. This one, since it is bigger leaves, it's a little more mild, which I think is nice as well. I think both ways, depending what you're looking for, are really great. But this is fantastic. It would have been kind of nice to get a couple more of those peppercorns to add a little more depth to the spice, but it's really wonderful. There's a lot of ginger, which I love, and you taste the cloves and the cinnamon and everything like that. And the black tea really does get to shine through as well. But it's just like a really nice chai. So if you wanted to make chai lattes, you could definitely do that. This time of year, I get really into iced chai lattes. Right now, I'm stuck on pumpkin chai. I'm just like obsessed with David's Tea's pumpkin chai right now. But I do like that this is like a good standard chai. So if you wanted to make like a chai latte, but add like caramel syrup or vanilla syrup, or vanilla extract, even if you don't want it sweet but you want that vanilla, you could use like a pumpkin spice creamer and make it like a pumpkin chai. You could do like really anything. Like you could really like play with it. You could add maple syrup because there's no sweetener or anything. It's just like plain spices. You could add maple, you could add agave. Like you could really tailor it to what you're looking for. So I think this would make an awesome baseline for a really good chai latte. Oh, and if you use the Brewmaster, you could make your latte in there. It's so fun to make lattes in like that kind of steeper sort of situation, because it's It's just magical, like the way the tea like drains out. So if you want to make like some epic chai lattes this season, I would recommend grabbing a bigger quantity than this, because I could probably make like 1 or 2 lattes with the amount of tea I use for lattes. But I would definitely recommend this for someone who's just looking for like a good chai latte at home. Or straight, it's really nice too. It's just like a really good baseline chai. I do like to mention, just so you guys know, I am an affiliate for Tiesta tea. So if you go through my links in the description, you can get like a bit of a discount. I have a discount code, but also like it helps me out if you use my links. So if you don't mind, if you're gonna buy it anyway, if you could go through those links down there, I would really appreciate it. It helps me like continue to make more videos. So thank you in advance if you do that. But let me know in the description, what's your favorite kind of chai? Like, what's your favorite chai you've ever had? What are some unique chais you've tried, and what are your favorites of those? Or do you just like a basic chai? I like to like hear from you guys and hear what you like and what you're drinking and what you're up to. So leave me a comment so we can chat. But I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy, and I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. We are all that we need.